Tashi Montshik belong to group of Tashi dances. And in general, all songs of Tashi are wishes for good fortune and so on. Now we will see all movement steps. We do this dance in circle. Actually, the very beginning is in line, and we alternate. Every line has a female, male dancer, and the other line will have a male dancer, female, male, and so on. And then at the very beginning of the words, we will make a circle, alternating, keeping this structure of alternating male and female dancer. And we will remain like that in circle until the end. Now we show a sequence of steps that is particular of this dance, and we are repeating 3 times at the beginning, then between first and second part, and between the second and the third part. So we start, we do right foot tapping and left arm in front, so you see it's opposite, and now we do opposite, so left tapping, right arm in front, and now we will do crossing step. So 1, 2, 3, 4, we turn counterclockwise, so to our left, and we do again twice this tapping with opposite hand, and again this crossing step, 4 steps, turning, again tapping right, tapping left, and the 4 steps, but now we do 2 in front, crossing, and then 2 backward, like we are drawing a little circle. So we repeat, right tap, left arm in front. Now left foot tapping, right arm in front. Now 4 steps crossing, starting with right, and you see the arms goes opposite. Right step, left arm in front, left step, right arm in front, and again opposite, and again opposite. Now we turn and we do right tapping and left arm in front, left tapping, right arm in front, again the 4th step crossing, always arms opposite, once more turning counterclockwise, tapping right foot, tapping left foot, now 2 steps forward crossing, and 2 steps backward, coming back on the original place. So we start our dance in line, we say alternating male and female dancer, And now with this step that we will show now, we will make a circle. And steps we do going to the center of the circle. Now we do first with starting right is 1, 2, 3, and then starting left 1, 2, 3. So with the right timing will be like this: 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So right, right, and then left, right, left. So right, left, left, right, left. And with arms, we do this movement representing words of the songs that say today is a day of fortune. We do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we go forward. Next sequence of steps, we go forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 counts, bringing our arms up. And then we do the basic Tibetan steps, and we do like that, arms a little bit down. Now we continue from now on with many sequences of the basic Tibetan step. So first time we do, and we bring our arms to the right, and this the meaning of songs is in our circle of dance. And then second sequence, arms to the heart, and say we wish for our master to come back. So arms to the right. And then next sentence, we do again our circle of dance. So this time our arms will be to the left. Then the voice of Dharma, so the spiritual teaching, will spread. So voice of Dharma, spiritual teaching, we will have our hands at the joint, and then we'll spread, so we open from the mouth. And now we repeat again in our circle of dance, but we open both arms in the center. Then the voice of Dharma will spread and will manifest. Now in the song there is a music of flute. We do this movement. We go right arm up and right step. And look, for male dancer is a bit different than female. So male has the left hand at the hip and female don't have. And then we continue on the other side. Left arm up and left step, and so on. We do. Pay attention the connection movement before this, no? Because after opening with both arms the previous part, we have to do right, left, 2 counts, and then start this movement. We repeat this sequence 12 times, and then after we will have the first part that we explained before, like this, and then the crossing steps and coming back and so on. Now we repeat like before, going with this step 1, 2, 3, right, left, right, going a bit to the center of the circle. Male dancer will do bigger step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then with the basic Tibetan step we do like that. So male, turn, and we are facing each other. Now next set of steps, the words will say again in our circle of dance, and Tibetan that are outside and inside Tibet will unify. We continue opening our arms down, then in our circle of dance, so now our arms are to the left side, to the heart, and we open from the heart. Again, we open, male turn, coming back to the circle, hand to the heart, and open. Then two step, right, left, and we go next part. Next part again, when the flute plays, we do like that. So tapping right, tapping left, arm we do like a round movement. And we repeat 12 times like this. Male and female do same, maybe male do more accent on the steps and female do a little bit smaller. And then after 12 sequence of this, we will repeat once more, and this is the third time, the crossing steps we explained at the beginning. Pay attention to the connection to next step. Third part of the song says, may all wishes of Tibetan be realized. Now movement of dance don't particularly correspond to the meaning, but they come from the original video, especially the male part. So we will do like this, double right and then left kick, and again double right, left kick, and then turn, up, up, again double right, left kick, double right, left kick, turning right up, left up. And we will repeat this sequence 4 times. At the end of the 4 times, we have again this double tapping right, kicking left, and we enter in the next part. For female, movement is different. It's like that. So we go, right arm goes up, right step, and left down, and then opposite. So we do twice, and then we turn. So together the movement will be like that. For 4 times. now steps change, and we do lateral step. So male we do like that, and like playing guitar, like before, no? Same movement of playing guitar, and we do 6 times this lateral step. So going right, left, right kick, and then step. Now left, right, left kick, step, and again, no? One more time. And back. It's important the body is facing in front, it's not turning, no? With this movement. And female steps are same, only without the kick, because a female dancer, but arms are different. We do like that. We close, so we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So hands go close together, and the body turn a little, one side, and turn to the other side. So we repeat 6 times this sequence until the words, so until the end of the words. Then there is only music. We have only music. Male and female movement will be same, just male more a bit strong. We go with the lateral step, so we go left side first, starting with right foot. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, lateral, and then we all turn. And we keep going like this, lateral step, alternate with one turn. Counterclockwise, lateral, lateral, and counterclockwise turn. We do until the end of the music.